Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to perform Sombrero Flick while standing. Sombrero Flick while standing is 5-star dribbling skill. Make sure that your player also has 5 stars. To perform it while looking at the right side of the pitch, make sure to stand and push analog twice, right and once left. If you are looking at the left side of the pitch, do it in opposite direction. If you are looking at the top of the pitch, push analog twice upwards and then downwards. And if you are looking at the bottom of the pitch, push the analog twice downwards and once upwards. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.